Eli, you want to tell the camera what day? It's the day after what?
It's the day after the
Thanksgiving.
It's November 28th.
And it just came off, I think. Here.
Yeah, she would enjoy that.
So here is Eli. We are attempting with his first tooth. As you can see, he has dental floss hooked to his tooth that we probably, if we could get our fingers in there, just lift out. And it's being hooked to one of Drew's remote control trucks. So good luck with that. And there is Karen and Mom working on dinner.
Okay, hold on. Let me get. Oh, maybe put them behind you and close them.
And here we go.
Like this. Ready? Do you need to sit on your hands?
You want to sit on Mommy's lap or something? Let go of the string.
You ready?
Let go of the string, Eli.
Oh, there it went.
And there's his tooth.
Yay! Show the camera.
Show the camera. Good job, Eli.
There you go.
Yay.